something very different, but very exciting because I feel like I don't do too much nail art. And my girls always trust me. Whatever they show me, I'm always down to try. So today we are doing a spring inspired Winnie the Pooh set. Let me know how I did. This is my very first time. No practice, but patience is key, y'all. Just know this is edited, but not everything was perfect. For those of you who might not have the accuracy to make your tip straight, make sure you turn your client's hand around to face you and make sure that it looks straight facing her way and your way. A little hack to those who don't like to nip with the cuticle nippers, just in case you're scared or anything, you can also go in with the cuticle nail bit, and on a light mode you can go around the cuticle and it'll little by little get rid of it. And now blend in your nail tip. Now go in with your dehydrator and primer. I will be using my 2-bead method today. I have been trying this new way to seal my cuticles with the sanding band first and then lightly go in with my cuticle nail drill bit. I thought it was so cute that my Winnie the Pooh obsessed client thought of this as a spring set because we're going to be doing this pastel yellow as well as the bee, for spring. But yeah, so this is me finishing off my drawings. Let me know how I did at the end. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm in the way a little bit and the camera does lose focusness, but I'm basically just tracing around the yellow with black and adding cute little line details.
That's gonna be